everybody, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a baking video for you guys. For those of you who aren't from the St. Louis area, you may have never heard of what we are going to bake today. Today we are going to bake this delicious dessert called Gooey butter cake, and it is native to the St. Louis area. So when I went off to college, you always hear of people saying, have you heard of this? We have this in my area. And you're like, no, I've never heard of that. Well, Gooey butter cake is one of those things. So if you aren't from the St. Louis area, I hope this will be a new dessert that you can try. It's not healthy, so just don't try it if you want to be healthy. I mean, butter is in the title. What more do you expect? But anyway, if you want to see how to make St. Louis style gooey butter cake, then please keep watching. Okay, so in order to make St. Louis style gooey butter cake, you will need 1 box of classic yellow cake mix, 3 large eggs, 1 stick of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, so we are going to get out our KitchenAid mixer and dump in there the bag of yellow cake mix and then 1 of our eggs. And we need to melt our stick of butter and pour that in there as well. So we are just going to mix all of that together. You will want to start at a slower speed and then you can kick it up a couple notches. You just don't want that powder from the cake mix to go all over the place. It should form a dough-like consistency when you're done. We are then going to spray our 9 by 13 inch pan with some cooking spray in order to avoid any sticking while cooking. And then we are just going to press that dough into the bottom of the pan. Next, we're going back to our KitchenAid mixer and we are putting in the cream cheese. Now, I like to cut the cream cheese into smaller cubes so it makes it easier to mix in. And then we need to whisk together the other 2 eggs and pour that in as well. And then we will be adding 2 cups of our powdered sugar. You are then going to want to mix all of that together until it is smooth. Would you look at this cutie? We are then going to take our second mixture and pour that over the top of the dough-like mixture. You do not want to mix these two together. It should be the dough-like mixture and then the second layer of the cream cheesy mixture. Now, even though this does have cream cheese in it, it does not overwhelmingly taste like cream cheese. So if you aren't a fan of cream cheese, don't worry. You'll still like this dessert. David hates cream cheese and he is obsessed with this stuff. We then baked this in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. You want the top to be golden brown, but the center should still be slightly soft. After it has fully cooled, you can then sprinkle some powdered sugar on top and it is ready for serving.
What's being I sit here. Tell me your honest opinion.
Oh my gosh, disgusting.
Alright everybody, well that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want me to do more baking videos or cooking videos for you. Also, you may notice my eye makeup is a little out of ordinary for me today. A lot of color, which I normally don't do, but there will be a tutorial on this look coming later this week, so keep an eye out for that. Also, as usual, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter if you so desire. But that is it for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!